Good noon, dear audience. I am Mohsin Islam Rifat. I am from Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department. Dear audience, today I am going to discuss on a particular topic and that is solar energy. What is solar energy? Simply, I can say that solar energy is the energy provided by the sun. This energy is in the form of solar radiation, which makes the production of solar electricity possible. It is an important source of renewable energy. Solar energy is a completely free source of energy and it is found in abundance. Origin of solar energy. Greek and Roman architecture developed with solar energy in mind. Porticos, series of thick and evenly spaced pillars, were built in order to let sunlight filter through. This allowed for the right amount of light and heat to come through. Now I'm going to move on next slide. Solar energy system component. In this slide, I will talk about the components that need to be converted from solar energy to electrical energy. Firstly, solar panels. It commonly known as PV panels. Here PV means photovoltaic. Solar panels are needed to harness the energy that is being generated by the sun to produce the DC power. Second is inverter. Inverter convert DC to AC. And thirdly, tracking meter. Tracking meter view the relay system energy information analytics to a in product console or web connected device through their proprietary software. Next, battery pack. Batteries enable the ability to store energy power for use at a later date. Next, charge controller. Charge controller work to control voltage and watt from solar panels, thus passing through more stable energy, preventing overcharging and protecting overvoltage. And last one is power meter. It also known as utility meter, kilowatt meter. It measures power output of the reader. Move on next slide. How solar energy works. Dear audience, now I show an animated video that all of you give a clear idea how solar energy works. Let's see the video. We see that sunlight hits the module on a solar photovoltaic panels. The panels convert the sun's energy into direct current or DC power. Then DC current goes to battery via wire. You see that. Here battery stored the energy. Then DC current goes to the inverter. Inverter convert DC current into an alternating current better known as AC power. This AC power is the standard electrical current used for powering most homes appliances. This is tracking meter. Tracking meter can keep track of the home's electrical consumption, the total output of the solar installation and more. The tracking system often have live display system or online monitors so that one can track how much energy is consumed and how much energy is produced. During the day, if solar system production exceed home's electrical needs, the exceed electricity is fed back to the power grid. This is occur the electric meter is spin backward, which can you see in this video. The current goes to the power grid. It reducing electric bill. You see this. Now one can earn money by this way. Now, now I am going to the next slide. Advantage of solar energy. Among all the benefits of solar panels, the most important thing is that solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. Reduce electric bills, which I already showed in video, so I cannot explain this point here due to lack of time. No people need to maintain the system, so maintenance cost is low. Solar energy is pollution free and cause no greenhouse gas to be emitted after installation. Traditional electric current flows with high voltage, but solar current that we get from solar energy flows with low voltage. That's why it's safer the traditional electric current. Efficiency is always improving so that the same size solar that is available today will become more efficient tomorrow. Now I'm going to next slide. Solar energy has some disadvantages. The initial cost of buying a solar system is fairly high. If one wants to produce more electricity, the more solar panels will need because he or she wants to collect as much as sunlight as possible. When the weather is cloudy, the, it produces less power. The price of batteries is high, so solar energy storage is expensive. Move on, next slide. In this slide, I have tried to show the contribution of solar energy in power generation in Bangladesh. Here we see solar energy contributes only 0.3% to renewable energy. So it's very frustrating. But good news is that now the government has taken many steps for renewable energy. We hope that the percentage of solar energy will increase in future. Dear all, it's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening my presentation and active participation. Now, if you have any question, please ask me.